Namaste students, this is your math sir Vinayak Tony. In this video, we are going to discuss the concept profit and loss. So first, we are discussing about meaning of the cost price. Cost price, we'll call this one as a CP. CP is the short form of the cost price. Cost price means the price at which something is bought is called as the cost price, which means whenever we purchase something, the amount we will pay to purchase that thing will be called as cost price. So in this, you need to remember the word called as a bought. Whenever you are buying something, if you pay some amount to that person to get that product, so that amount will be called as the cost price. Next, selling price. We will call this one with the short form as the SP. The price at which something is sold. Look at this. We will purchase something, and if we sell that one to get the profit or loss, whatever, which means when we will sell one thing to another person, the amount we will get from that person instead of for the given thing is called as selling price. In this, you need to remember about price of sold. Next is overhead charges. This is the one charges. We'll consider this one as the cost price. Overhead charges means an expenses of operating the business. Means if the person want to sell a 1 pen rupees true, but to run the business he will add 1 rupees extra to give that one to the person. So that time this total amount will be called as the cost price, and the amount rupees 1 will be called as the overhead charge. So generally overhead charges we will consider inside the cost price. That is the thing you need to remember. Overhead price comes under the cost price. Now next, profit. The gain money is called the profit. Next, profit formula we have. How we will find the profit means it is always selling price minus cost price. Profit equals to selling price minus cost price. This is the one formula you need to remember. Second, we have the loss. Money lost in selling. If we lose money by selling some of the things, that amount will be called as the loss. To calculate loss, we'll use the formula called as loss equals to cost price minus selling price. These are the two formulas which are most important. One is the profit, another one is the loss formula. These are the things which will help us to do this upcoming some of the problems on this profit and loss. So try to remember these all the definitions, recall it, and remember these two formulas